talk about how can you block private number on your Whoscall app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, so you just keep going down here. So then you click here on check my block rules. Rules here, just click on it. Come here to block private number. Click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean block private number disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.